Best way to make videos for YouTube. Yes, best way to make videos for YouTube. Welcome to How to Doer, and I'm Gogi from How to Doer. Today we're gonna talk about. First of all, think about it. I am just recording a video. You gonna see this full video in just no cut, and I gonna record it and gonna upload it. That's the way you can easily make videos. If your topic is interesting, people will gonna check out your video, people will gonna follow you, like you, share you, and gonna comment you, and that's way you can earn more money, views, and anything like this. Think about it. If you make uh, any photography, then just show photography of your things and just upload it. And if you think that if you found any interesting thing is happening anywhere and you want to record that, just record that and upload that. Because in starting you don't have to do a lot of editing, you don't need to do more things, more creative things, more time spent on that. You need content, and you need a viral content and super fast. If you seen anything happening anywhere, any occasion, any festival, you record it and just upload it as a short or as a video or anything like this. I'm just recording this video, I am not doing any editing, I am not gonna put any music and anything like this. I just gonna upload it is as a video, normal video. So that's the way you can record. If you are a travel vlogger, you are traveling anywhere and you see any great thing anywhere, just record that and share that with your friends or families, or I mean YouTube. And if you are a food vlogger, you have just eating somewhere and just record eating, whole the experience in raw format and just upload. Don't worry about anything like this. So that's the way you can start. That's the best way to make videos. Now people are loving raw details, because many things are now just not natural, they are just adulterated, so that people's love natural things. So you can make natural videos like this one I just recorded, I explained, and gonna upload it. Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. This video is not edited at all, I just flawlessly recorded it.